Alright guys, so in this video today, we're going to be looking at 5 easy and legit side hustles you can do without leaving the comfort of your home, guys. Yes, you can do these 5 jobs here in your pajamas, in your underwear. If you want, you can even do some of these jobs naked. You know, you could be naked making money. So you want to make money while naked?
Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline.
So number 1 is Upwork, guys. So Upwork is a website where people who want things done that they can't do themselves, kind of like in my case, I used Upwork once when I was designing this website. I used somebody from India. You know, they helped me out with like designing my website. Well, pretty much like web design and WordPress and PHP, stuff like that. So they helped me out. This one dude helped me out, and he was in India. You know, he was making good money. You know, making US dollars. There, I paid him like about $600 for the week, and that's good money over there. But anyway, so you guys as well, you guys can make money on these websites just doing jobs like copywriting. There's some websites who want to rank number 1 on Google. There's businesses in your area that would want to rank number 1 on Google, so you can do that as well. You can contact businesses in your area and be like, you guys want to rank number 1 on Google, we can make this happen, and maybe they can go through Upwork. But the good thing with Upwork is like you have more exposure, right? So you can work with companies that are like, you know, 10, 20 states away from yours, and you still be able to do business with them. There's a lot of stuff you can do on Upwork. You can do web design, you can do graphic design, you can do editing jobs. Like if you edit films, you can do that there. You can do voiceovers for people. There's a whole bunch of things you can do on Upwork, guys. So look up that website. You can literally make money in your pajamas on Upwork. So logos, everything, guys, you can do that there. So Upwork, that's number 1. Number 2 is Skillshare. So what can you do on Skillshare? So on Skillshare, you can pretty much make your own course, mini course, medium course, long course, whatever. You get paid, you know, so people view your course, you get paid. So just go on Skillshare and go find out how you can do this. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. Like they send you all the templates you need, outline of the course. They pretty much prepare the whole thing. All you gotta do is just like fill in the blanks for your course, create the content. They tell you how they want the content created and what kind of content, stuff like that. But you can pretty much like teach people how to like do pretty much everything. How to do graphic designs, how to do illustrations, how to edit wedding films, how to edit music videos, like how to do a whole bunch of stuff. UI, you know, user interface designs. There's pretty much a lot of things. My mind is just like running fast, but you can pretty much like teach people a lot of, like, everybody knows something. If you know about engineering and cars, you can teach people how to, like, you know, how to do your own oil change, stuff like that. How to fix your own car AC. You can literally make a course on fixing your own car AC, stuff like that. Tell people to check for this, check for that. Maybe it's the compressor, check the compressor, like stuff like that. You can teach, like, especially if you're a teacher and right now maybe you're laid off or you are going through the quarantine, you can go on there and just create a course, and you can keep teaching in the university or in high school and still be making some money on the Skillshare platform. So you can make a lot of money on Skillshare. And if you're like a guru, like personal development, or you teach yoga, the good thing about Skillshare is almost every YouTuber now is sponsored by Skillshare. You know, every YouTuber is like, oh, go check out Skillshare, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, you can check out Skillshare and you can make your own course. So you can make money on that. So that was number 2. Number 3, Fiverr. The good thing with Fiverr is it's kind of a different structure. So you know, you can do a whole bunch of stuff too. People want to hire you to do a whole bunch of stuff like virtual assistants. You could be assisting companies, like big companies, with their like maybe customer service, maybe data entry, and you know, just like perform tasks on a daily basis for the companies. You can do social media marketing for them. You can create their social media content for maybe their Instagram or YouTube or whatever. You can do voiceovers as well on this one. Graphic design. You can do completely silly things on Fiverr, like maybe just shout out somebody's name, or just maybe somebody wants you to say smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, or make sure you subscribe to this channel and they say your channel name, you can do stuff like that. Possibilities are endless, guys. Don't just sit in your house watching Netflix, guys. You can definitely go on Fiverr and just put these little gigs there and you're gonna get booked, you know what I mean? Because again, the good thing about Fiverr, there's exposure, there's a lot of people there looking for these little things that people can help them out with, and you can be that person to create their logo for $5, maybe even for $20, whatever you are willing to charge. And the good thing about Fiverr, it started out as $5, but now it's like people can pay hundreds of thousands of dollars on this website. So Fiverr, guys, gotta go on Fiverr and you can literally make money in your pajamas. Stop giving excuses talking about, oh no, but as long as you got freaking internet, you can make money online just like that in your house. So number 4, guys, number 4 is eBay. You can look around in your house and there's things that, like me right now, I got a whole bunch of stuff in my garage that I might want to sell, maybe, but there's a lot of things in your house that you don't use anymore that you might want to let go, right? You might want to sell those things. So eBay is a good way to sell things, and if you have money, you can also just like buy things cheaper and sell them on eBay in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to leave your house, guys. All these side hustles, you can stay in your home in your pajamas, in your underwear, and get these jobs done, make money while you're in your anyways. So you can sell things on eBay. So I don't want to hear that, guys. Everybody knows what eBay is by now. So you can make money on eBay, guys. You can buy things cheaper on Craigslist and sell them higher on eBay. Think about that. So number 5 is drop shipping, guys. This is the last one because it's kind of a complicated issue. Not everybody knows what drop shipping is, but drop shipping is literally where you sell something and you don't hold the inventory. You don't hold the inventory, you just sell it. A company holds the inventory. Okay, so here's the company with the inventory and here's the customer, right? So you are pretty much the middleman. So you promote and sell this person something that this company has. And once this person buys that thing, that company sends it to the customer and you make that money. So you pay for the product and you get your cut, whatever, and then the company sends that product to the customer. So that's pretty much drop shipping in a nutshell, right? A lot of people are lazy. A lot of people don't want to go to the store and buy stuff. So drop shipping really helps because everybody's buying stuff online now. There's more people buying stuff online than people going to physical stores in this day and age. So people are like, they're buying shit online. So you just have to be the person selling them that shit, right? So drop shipping comes in. You don't have to hold the inventory. You just need to market this thing and pay the company, send it to the whatever, to the client, to the customer, and you're good to go, and just rinse and repeat. So you pretty much sell stuff that you don't have, kind of thing. You don't hold the inventory, you just sell the stuff. So this is a little bit better. It's a pretty much low barrier of entry compared to like Amazon FBA, because Amazon, you gotta have all the products before you start actually selling them. But this one, you can just sell stuff that you don't have, that somebody in China has a whole bunch of stuff, different products you could choose from, and you can pretty much like create a website around it. There's a whole lot that goes into drop shipping, and that's why I saved this for last, because this one, you're also gonna need some capital. You're also gonna need some money to put down. But go on the websites by yourself and look it up. Don't take my word for it. I'm just relaying the information. But drop shipping, I know you need at least maybe 250 to 1,000, depending on how much you wanna start with. Anyway, so those are the side hustles, guys. You can do Upwork, you can do Skillshare, you can do Fiverr, you can do eBay, and you can do drop shipping. You can literally make money from the comfort of your home. You can make money in your pajamas, you can make money in your underwears, you can make money naked in the comfort of your home, guys. That's it for the video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you click the like button, and support your boy, because I'm gonna be dropping a whole lot of experiments on how you can make money.